to understand what are some of these visa remarks mean in what you call the visa applications. Yes, most of you have applied for visas to come back to Qatar, or your first time, or your hire visa, or your visit visa to come to Qatar. Yes, but there are remarks. Most of the times, there may be remarks that may be attached by alongside that visa application in case. By the way, do you know what that remark means, which is attached alongside that figure? Yes, in this video, I'm going to show you, or I'm going to let you know, what are some of these very important remarks that definitely you need to. Visa application process may not be a very easy thing for those that have not taken what we call a keen eye to understand what are some of these visa remarks mean in what you call the visa applications. Yes, most of you have applied for visas to come back to Qatar, or your first time, or your hire visa, or your visit visa to come to Qatar. Yes, but there are remarks. Most of the times, there may be remarks that may be attached by alongside that visa application in case. By the way, do you know what that remark means, which is attached alongside that figure? Yes, in this video, I'm going to show you, or I'm going to let you know, what are some of these very important remarks that definitely you need to understand, and what do they mean, and how definitely can you fix that remark in case you apply the visa for yourself, or in case the employer who applied for you the visa, how he can definitely fix the remarks. Thank you so much. By the way, is it your first time to come across Mexcreationtv? Don't hesitate to give him a subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to give you a guide, and I'm going to talk about what we call visa remarks. And in today's video, I want to talk about what we call under-outside process. Yes, have you ever wondered why that visa remark always appears? To some of you that have been able to apply for what you call the visas, you'll agree with me that you've seen such kind of remarks alongside your visa application, and most of you you've gone into out of hand. You've gone worried out that my visa is rejected. Yes, the remark may come alongside your visa application, but it may not mean what you call a rejection. Okay, what does it mean if your visa portrays or displays a remark, that application which shows a remark that says under outside process? This is how it means, and this is how you should be able to handle in case you get such kind of remark on what you call your visa application. Yes, generally when we look at this kind of remarks, under outside process, outside visa application process, yes, it may not mean that your visa is rejected. However, something that you need to understand, it is forwarded to what you call the external authorities to do what you call more verification or more approval. Normally, most of the times when you see such kind of visas, it may be pushed to a different department that has to do some pending verifications or has to do what you call background checks. And normally, when you see such kind of remark, it is normally going to come to those visas, or it's going to come to those people that are applying for what you call a long stay. Long stay, it may either be what you call a family visa, or it may be what you call a long visit visa, which is more than 30 days, or it may be a work visa in that case, because they need to take what you call a check background in that. So what does it mean? It does not mean that you're having a visa remark under outside process. It means the visa is rejected. However, something that you need to understand, that there are more systems, let's say for example, for more countries, whereby you'll find that additional information for that visa to be approved is outside what you call more other centers, which are outside or which are working connected with what you call the Ministry of Interior. How do you fix that issue? In case you come across of that issue in your visa, you're the employer, you're the employee, the person who applied for a visa, how do you definitely have to fix? It is fixable and you can fix. Yes, most of the times how you can solve such kind of issue is you have to wait for what you call an external processing to complete. Normally this has a time frame, so you need to be a little bit very patient for it to move out to the system. Then after, it will get to approve, because it is external authorities that are trying to do either background check or verification, or other departments that need to do what you call the verification. However, something that I need to let you know, if this visa goes beyond 1 to 4 weeks, between 1 to 4 weeks, and it's still showing the same situation or the same remark, then there must be something wrong. Why? Most of the times, the longer it takes, the longer for that remark to appear, it may be one time, it may be the nationality that is applying for a visa. Yes, most of you will agree with me right now. When you look at the African nationalities, the employment visas are a little bit very hard to be approved in that regard. Even if when the company is trying to apply, then it will take a little bit more longer. Then in that's why it's in those regards. If it's most times, if it is taking longer, then you may find that it may be maybe a attached nationality quota, that in this regard. Then also something that you need to understand, why it may a little bit also take longer, it is you need to consider what you call the types of the visa, or the type of the visa that you are applying for. Let's say, for example, you are applying for the family visa. For the family visa, it has its own requirements. You need to have proof of accommodation, proof of salary, and the kind of documentation that you need to submit. They are very different from the other types of visa. So you find that it may have a little bit longer to take than to be, say, the visa is approved. Then we look at what you call background check and what you call security check. Yes, most of us will apply for visas, and definitely the visa is taking longer. Yes, maybe sometimes the authorities are taking what you call security check, and they need to verify exactly the information they need before they can grant you or they can approve your visa in any way or the other. However, something that you need to understand, the only way to solve this is you need to be a little bit very patient. You need to be very patient. However, if you still find that the visa is not approved, then the person that applied the visa can either go to the Director of Passports, Ministry of Interior, with his copy of ID and his copy of the passport and all the other documentation, to go and file what you call an inquiry for that regard. And when it goes, definitely they will give him exactly what could be the problem and how definitely they can fix it, such that your visa can be approved. Hope I've tried to share something for you. Thank you so much. Remember, it's always Mex from the Mex Creation TV, trying to give you a guide living in Qatar, living in Doha, and the best information and all the best things that definitely you need to understand. Thank you so much. Remember, it's always Mex. Don't forget to support and don't forget to subscribe. Also visit my other sister channel, that is I Am Mex, which only shows you about the travel, my life experiences, and most of the things that definitely would guarantee to move in one way or other. Thank you so much. Remember, stories Mex from the Mexcreation TV.